What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon. Right, in the last episode, we traversed through the Abyssal Range. In this episode, we are gonna take on a very special guy. That is being a boss battle against Game Freak Morimoto. So let's go in, and I think this is the guy. This is Morimoto. So let's save the game. I'll see you guys when I save the game. So guys, I saved the game. Okay, let's talk to Morimoto. Oh, you become strong, I can tell. Do you want to have a battle with me? Yes. Well, let's begin. Okay, here we go. Hilbert versus Game Freak Morimoto. I know he'll lead off with that damn life part because I already battled this guy once. Coil. Okay, attack, defense. Okay, don't crit me. Now I'm gonna lead seed you. Okay, your sucker punch failed. I'm gonna coil again. You are doing first. Okay, I have 2 up. So even if you have a Darmanitan, I can still defeat you because I have so many defense up. Okay, we are +3. Okay, +4 now. Apparently. So even that thing Critus will survive. +5 and +6. So I probably miscounted this. So I'm gonna go for one more coil. So yeah. Okay, grass knot. To tie yourself into knots. Leaf blade. Oh, no problem. I'm at +6. Oh, I forgot that his Simipour exists. Oh, he has the Sincere, and I outspeed and carry him. Bye bye, Sincere. Swoobat. No problem. I'll go for return. Bye bye, Swoobat. Oh, this battle is really easy after a grand raid. Okay, Leaf blade. Okay, Zeb Striker. Bye bye. Oh, he has Simipour. Okay, Leaf blade again, and bye bye Simipour, and finally Simisage. Okay, I'll go for return, and bye bye Simisage. Okay, Asami just swept. You think about battles very well through Harash, but I learned a lot from you. Besides, it was very fun. Come back again tomorrow. That's it. We just needed 2 minutes to beat him. So since I only took 2 minutes, I'm gonna do another boss battle in this episode. So you can initiate this battle after you had beaten Alder. After you beaten Alder, come here and at Saturday nights, and Bianca will be at Professor Jennifer's house, and let's talk to her. I'm gonna save the game, and I'll see you when I save the game. Okay guys, I saved the game, and let's talk to Bianca. Oh Hilbert, would you have a Pokemon battle with me today? Yes, for sure. Great Hilbert. We are battling under, so don't get too worked up. So I'm gonna coil myself, Bianca. I'm not gonna work up. Stoutland. So that thing has Intimidate. I'm gonna just coil myself up. I had the defense boost. Oh, I forgot that thing this has. This thing has Ice Fang. Let's go for Leech Seed. Ice Fang. Okay. So Bianca has an Chandelure which has written Shadow Ball. I told you guys that thing can crit us with Psychic, and let's go for Leaf Blade. We are at technically +2. I said about that Chandelure. Okay, let's see if we carry that thing. Yo, okay. Okay, looks like we are tad bit over leveled. I wish I had done this battle at first. Ah god, I suck. Leaf Blade. Bye bye Samurot. Asami. I'm too scared of Asami being over leveled, guys, because Alder's ace is 77. Okay, Musharna finally. And Leaf Blade. Okay, Musharna, bye bye. Okay, defeated Bianca. Phew, I'm totally sure, Hilbert, you are really strong. I love your style of battling, Hilbert. Somehow, your Pokemon look like they are having so much fun. Okay, we are only 4 minutes in this episode. So, let's fly to the next place. Okay, guys, we are at Novima town right now. Sorry. What is this thing town called anyway? Okay, we are at Route 5. And Strength and strength alone is what matters in this world. So I will do it until I met Alder here. But winning in Pokemon battles isn't all there is to life. Once I learned that lesson, my eyes were opened up to many different things. We all have our own band of strength, people and Pokemon both. The strength to make our dreams a reality, the strength to protect what we hold most dear. Why do I think this way now? It's thanks to you, Hilbert and Bianca and Alder. If only Ian could see this too, somebody. I'm going to take a long, hard look at myself on Victory Road. I'm going to think about what I can do and who I can be. Visit me sometime if you want. We all have a battle or a cold times. Okay. Okay, let's go to Victory Road. Assam is too broken, man. With calls and stuff. Sorry, Sharon, but I'm too over leveled for this. And Sharon. I'm gonna save the game. Okay, guys, I saved the game. And let's talk to Sharon. Hilbert, it is difficult, isn't it? When you confront yourself, you have to notice things about yourself that aren't too flattering. Of course, and no one can get away from themselves. Marshall? My mentor told me you were here, so I came to see. Listen, even if you lose in the battle, if you surpass what you have done before, you have bested yourself. Take the opportunity of a battle to look at your opponent, look at the Pokemon world, and look at yourself. Are those Alder's worlds? Maybe, but I'm borrowing them. What I want are the battles with trainers who building themselves like that. When I mix up it with a trainer like that, both my and my Pokemon get even stronger. Well then, I'll be waiting for you challenging in the Pokemon League. Okay, I guess that's that. Okay, Hilbert, accept this Pokemon battle. Okay, here we go. Hilbert will say, yes, Charon. Okay, he opened up with Leopard. Do I really need to set up another leech seed, guys? Nah. Wait, oh, you have aerialist? Now I'm going to definitely set up an leech seed. I wish Morimoto's Pokemon had this coverage. That would have been tougher. Okay, 2 coils is enough. Maybe 3. Yeah, 3 will not hurt. Okay, aerialist. Okay, leaf blade. Liepard, bye bye. Yumbor. Return. Oh man, I'm so sorry. I wish I had done these battles before. Now these are piece of easy battles. I don't know why I do this to myself. Okay, let's bring out Auron, the better thing. Ash. Okay, Gigalith. Let's. Okay. Okay. So let's Dragon Dance. Why did I Dragon Dance? Okay, this battle is getting tougher and tougher. But it will be not tough when Lin is here. Okay. Oh, I forgot to have the battle music on. Okay, I had the battle sound on. Okay, Brick Break, you outspared me. Okay. Brick Break, okay. This battle is a lot tougher. Oh, you have instant coverage. Okay, bye Simsage. On Fazon. Mirror match. But mine is better. Oh shit. Let's go Kyo. And we'll go for Prime. Okay, we defeated him. Thank you. I'll keep battling many trends and Pokemon like this, and if I can learn what kind of person I am, it will open up my path. I'm sure this path will lead me to become the person I'm meant to be. Pokemon will always with you and me as we go down our paths. Our important friend Pokemon. So, that's the episode for you guys. We had so many boss battles in this episode. So that's the episode for you guys. Also guys, in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon White. Peace.
ਗੱਡੀ ਲੈਂਬਗੀਨੀ ਪੀਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਚਲਾਵੇ ਸਲੋਲੀ ਉਹ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਗੇਰ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੋੜਦੀ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਨੀ ਏ the one and only